Imagine the thrill of riding your Honda Super Cub, the wind in your hair, the engine humming beneath you, and every twist and turn of your journey unfolding before your eyes. Now imagine being able to capture every moment of that adventure, hands-free, effortlessly, and in stunning high definition. That's exactly what daVideo camera sunglasses offer, transforming your ride into an experience you can relive and share again and again. Riding a Honda Super Cub is about more than just getting from point A to point B. It's about the freedom of the open road, the unexpected sights along your route, and the unique perspective that comes from being behind the handlebars of a classic, iconic machine. With daVideo camera sunglasses, you're able to capture that perspective exactly as you see it, without the distraction of holding a camera or fumbling with a smartphone. Just put on your sunglasses, press a button, and your ride is instantly recorded in smooth, crisp video. The cutting-edge technology inside daVideo camera sunglasses means you don't miss a single moment. With 60 frames per second recording, every detail is smooth and lifelike, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising along winding country roads. The wide 110-degree angle lens, powered by a Sony low-light sensor, ensures that your footage captures not just what's directly ahead, but the full panorama of your ride, the scenery, the action, and even those quick glances at passing landmarks or beautiful sunsets. Safety is always a top priority when you're out on your Honda Super Cub. That's why daVideo camera sunglasses are designed with impact-resistant ANSE Z87.1 standard lenses and a flexible, lightweight frame made from Relive TR90 material. Not only do they provide the eye protection you need against wind, debris, and UV rays, but they're built to withstand the rigors of the road, just like your Super Cub. One of the standout features of these camera sunglasses is their hands-free operation. Your focus stays where it should be, on the road and your surroundings. Whether you're recording a daily commute, documenting a scenic tour, or capturing a group ride with friends, you never have to compromise your safety or enjoyment for the sake of getting great footage. Plus, with up to 128 GB of storage available, you can record hours of video and snap high-quality 12-megapixel photos with just a tap. No need to worry about running out of space or missing a shot. Customization is another big advantage. If you wear prescription lenses, daVideo camera sunglasses let you swap in your own, so you never have to sacrifice clear vision for cutting-edge technology. The tiltable camera lens lets you adjust your field of view up or down, ensuring you always get the best angle. Whether you're riding upright or tucked in for speed, connectivity is seamless too. With built-in Wi-Fi and a dedicated mobile app, you can adjust camera settings, review footage, and share your favorite moments right from your phone. Want to show off a beautiful stretch of road or a spontaneous adventure? With daVideo, your highlights are ready to share in an instant. Ultimately, wearing daVideo camera sunglasses on your Honda Super Cub means you're ready to document the unexpected, the scenic detours, the wildlife crossings, the moments of camaraderie with fellow riders. It means you have a record of your favorite journeys, whether for sharing with friends, creating content, or simply reliving the thrill of the ride. Don't let your next adventure be just a memory. Capture it as it happens, hands-free, and see your Honda Super Cub experience from an entirely new perspective.